Hi, my name is Niharika Shenoy. I'm an illustrator based in Bangalore and I was a student of Riyaaz in 2017 and 18. I didn't know much about this field, and learning about it from experienced illustrators who have a lot of passion and dedication for their work was very inspiring. And I learned that there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. There's a big process behind it, and from the time you get the text to the time it comes out in print, it's quite an involved process. My interactions with the faculty was good. They gave us valuable feedback and one-on-one feedback, which is really helpful to understand your own strengths and weaknesses. We appreciate the kind of assignments and exercises that we had in the workshops. Apart from this, the guest lectures were also helpful in understanding how different art forms interact with illustration and how we could sort of synthesize that in our own body of work. The visits that we had to say Thane Ghat and other spots close by for sketching and studying people were really helpful in getting a feel for characters and places. Riyaaz helped me find an alternate career. I have done a variety of work after I finished the course, but not all of them have been related to picture books. I have done 3 picture books, but apart from that, a lot of my work has been editorial illustrations for magazines, cover page design and illustration for publishing houses, cover page design and illustration for publishing houses, and my top 5 illustrations would be all the illustrations for the book Chartchetia, an accordion book written by Sham Sushil and published by Eklavya publications, cover illustration for the September 2020 issue of Teacher Plus magazine, an illustration for Pluto magazine for an article I wrote on Mysore Dasara, an illustration for Goba Times for a story that I wrote called No Man's Land, 2 illustrations for Chakmak magazine for a write-up by Vinta Vishwanathan.